Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to tag photo on Facebook. So guys, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So here I'm on my Android phone. I'm using my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. Okay. So first, open your Facebook. So it's open now. So now, go to the post option. Just click on this. Write something here and upload the photos. You can upload the photo from here. Okay, this is first time it's asking me the allows permission, so I just okay, I have to select the photos. I have to select the okay, I will select this one. Just select the photo, and if you click on face, okay, so here you can click on face, and if you have team photo or group photo, just click on face, and you can tag here from your face lead, or you can search from here. If I search like, yeah, if I search only this one, so my friend list will become here. Just click the name and this person will be tagged. So you have to click every place and you can tag. Okay, so done it. So if you have another photos like food photos or any photos, if you don't have face photo, so there is another option to tag photos. Okay, so here you can see option here, tagging option. Just click on it and just select friends from here. You can search from here. Okay, if I search name from here, I can search here the name of person and just select the person name and just click on done. So you can see 4% has been tagged. Now just come back and you will see the all tagged here. I have tagged 4%, this one, and 3%, and just post it. Okay, so that is how you can tag photos on Facebook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe.